So start. Okay, for trend percentage in net sales, this is what we call the horizontal analysis, because as what we have discussed yesterday, horizontal analysis involves two different periods that we are going to compare. So when we are going to use the horizontal analysis, ano ang aton formula? It's in here. This one. The most recent value less the base period value over the base period value. So kindly remember this formula. This is the basic formula for horizontal analysis. Okay. Base minus most recent divided by base. Okay. So net sales. Percentage change in net sales. Percentage change in net sales. Ano to again ang formula?
Most recent value minus base period value over base period value.
Okay. You can use the base minus most recent or most recent minus base. Okay lang ito ya. Basta aton denominator is the base. So, anak ko ginhatag haiwas most recent an una or base an una?
Most recent po, ma'am.
Okay. Sige, most recent na lang. Recent less base divided by base. Okay lagi hapon if it will be base minus most recent divided by base kay amo malagi hapon at magawas na percentage. Okay. So I'm gonna insert equation here para diri malipat. Aha. Is it clear? Ita akong ginhatag nga kuan formula. Nakikita niyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how much is the most recent net sales?
2,000, ma'am.
2,000. Okay, 2,000 minus the base. An kanan last year.
1,600.
Ano yun? 1,600.
Ay, ni ma'am.
And medyo nagkakuanan akong internet, so I'm back. Okay. So divided by the base. What is the base again? It's 1,600.
1,600.
Okay. So how much will it be?
5%. Yep.
Pera?
25%.
25%. Okay, so the trend percentage in net sales will be 25%. Meaning, naghataas an aton net sales for 25% as compared to the last year's net sales nga 1,600. Nag-increase siya in 25%. 25%. Okay, how about adi naman nga usa? I would like you to answer letter H. Who would like to answer? Sige na, class. Don't be shy. Who would like to try for letter H? The trend percentage in EBIT. Okay, I'll be the one to choose. So give me a number from 1 to 20.
16, ma'am.
16, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, Jeneline Lacaba, kindly please answer letter H using our formula.
Ma'am, waray ko put nga the answer.
Sige la, try la. It's okay.
Ako po, mamara ko daranga notes adi po kagawas.
Ah, okay.
Waray ko pagihap daranan no.
You know what? Pwede mag-answer for letter H.
Mamaya ko try la.
Oh, sige, go.
Go, Jehu.
Jehu. Sige.
Ma'am, so far, ma'am, ang EBIT han 2019 is 400, tapos ang EBIT naman han 2018 is 300. So, kung ginbasehan formulang most recent list base over base, so ang most recent nga EBIT is 400, tapos less 300 is equivalent to 100. So, 100 divided by han base nga 300 is equivalent to 0.33%. 33% lang yan.
Okay. So, itaton EBIT, our EBIT here is 1,600 less
Income,
1,000 less 300. So, pera adto? 300 adto ano for 2018.
mm
Okay.
Tapos 400 for 2019.
Bali anay. Aha. Tadi ka na. 300 for the base, 300 for the base, and then 400 adto for the most recent
Most
2,000.
recent.
Okay. For the others, it will be 2,000, this one, minus the cost of goods sold of 1,300, minus the 300 operating expense. So, 1,300 minus 300, it will be 400. 400 divided by the base of 300. Then it will be how much?
33%.
33%?
0.33, ganyan. Yes, ma'am. Pero
Okay.
ma'am, rounded net hiya kay 0.33.
Okay, so it's 33.33%. Okay, very good, Jehu.
0.33 la, ma'am.
33.33. So it's very good. That's correct. 33.33%. We just have to round it off to the nearest two decimal places. Okay, so this will be the answer for letter H. How about for letter I? Who would like to answer for letter I? Okay, I'll be the one to choose. Uh-huh. How about Apple Loriaga? Are you able to answer the question? Or will you be able to answer the question now?
Di ko pa, ma'am, gets.
Di pa nimo gets. Okay, so try naton. Sige, try la. But you are in a good situation to answer the problem, di ba? Ada ka man na dahi balay na.
Di po, ma'am.
Ada ka?
Di po, ma'am. Di
Okay.
po ako gawas.
Okay. So if you can't answer that, can you please give me a number? 1 to 5.
4, ma'am.
4. Okay, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Crisel. Crisel Elioraba.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, will you please answer letter I? The trend.
Ma'am, diri ko pa yung bak maaram gyud.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Di ko
We
pa
have... Sige, buligan tayo ikaw. So, paano mako-compute ang net income using the information given? So, we have net sales, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, interest, and tax charges. So, ano pag-compute?
Mamoray po na notes nga di, ma'am.
But,
Mag-delete na play.
but you can see it on your monitor.
Ma'am?
Nakita ka ha monitor. Adiman, sige. Okay.
Ate, nagsisiba ko lang ako. Sige, thank you.
Okay, for
Friends, di ba?
kindly minimize the volume of the music. Okay. So, can you see the items on the monitor? Nakikita
Yes,
naman
ma'am.
nila. Okay. So, how do we compute net income? Paano natin mabibilangan it net income? Using this one. Sige. Net income is equal to net sales less cost of goods sold less operating expenses less interest and tax charges. So the net income will be how much? Sige.
100, ma'am.
900?
100.
300 minus 200. Okay. So the net income for 2018 will be 100. So for 2019 naman,
180, ma'am.
180.
ma'am.
So 2,000 minus 1,300 minus 300 minus 220. Okay, so it's 180. So what we're looking for here is the percentage change in net income. So the most recent value will be 180. So we have to substitute 180 here. 180 less the last year's value of net income, which is equal to 100. So 100 again here, divided by the base, which is 100. How much?
80%, ma'am.
How much?
80%, ma'am.
Okay. So, is it clear na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is 80%. So you can just work on this after the discussion. Adi naman mga answers provided already. Okay, so we are going to go to the next topic. Next problem. This one, the ingat merchandising. So because it is pandemic, you should be ingat. That's why I use this for the name. So where are you now, guys? Are you in Samar or later right now? Before we start, let's
Oras, ma'am.
oras. Oo ngayon, ang taga-oras, hikoan, anay. Hi,
Kaya ako, ma'am.
ano to, hi Ibardoni Pinanggay, oo. Efren.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-mm. Tapos, sino pa ang taga Samar nganhi?
Ako, Dolores.
Ako, ma'am.
Sino pa?
Ako, Ma'am Dolores.
Hi, nang taga Dolores.
Angel.
Angel. Tabyo. Oh, anak ka ba ni Ma'am Tabyo or
Lola ko po.
lola mo? I don't know kung naging teacher ko yan. High school ba yan to nagtiteach?
Yes po.
Ah, kaya pala. Siya ngayon. So, ani kaya na Dolores?
Adi po Tacloban.
Oh, kamaungod man yung mga da. Pag ano mga da?
Di po kay mayanay po internet ang balay.
Oh, yun lang. Pero maiha ka na nga da nga nagstay.
Mga 2 months pala po.
Ah, okay. So, ingat-ingat.
Thank you.
Ingat-ingat kita nga tanan kamo, guys. So, okay la kamot yung mga kamutang. Nakakabati ka mo maupay.
Yes, Ma'am, clear.
Okay.
Ayaman lang, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ha? Anad to?
Yes, ma'am. Carry lang.
Carry. Okay, good. So, ready na ka mo for the next problem? Amunit medyo challenging. Medyo challenging iniya. Kay damo na nga info it ginhahatag. That's why I would like you to be relaxed muna before we start with the next problem. Inhale, exhale, anay class. Inhale, exhale. Hingang malalim. Okay. Okay na. Ready na? Ready na ka mo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So in here, you can see that there are two FS, the income statement and the balance sheet. We have discussed yesterday that there are FS analysis ratios that involves two types of accounts, the income statement account and then the balance sheet account. So in here, we're going to see how it works, kung paano ba ito yung compute, tapos what are the rules that should be followed in computing for the different ratios. Okay, so I will read first the problem. Ingat Merchandising has 1 million common shares outstanding with each share priced at 8 pesos. In 2018, the company declared dividends of 10.10 pesos per share. The balance sheet at the end of 2018 showed approximately the same amounts as that at the end of 2017. The financial statements for Ingat Merchandising are as follows. So, income statement. So, sales for 700, cost of goods sold 2,300, gross profit 2,400, operating expenses, depreciation 320, and other to 1,230 equal to 1,550. EBIT is 850, interest expense 150, income before taxes 700, income taxes 280, and net income is 420. So, hanuna, when I was still in college, medyo nalilipat ako hit tinatawag nga EBIT ngahin after tax. So, kung EBIT ito hiya, meaning waray paig-iba an interest expense ngahin an income taxes. Amo hindi hiya nga amount, the 850, amo tinatawag nga earnings before interest and taxes. Pag sumiri nga before, waray pa ito ig-iban ang interest ng taxes. Pag sumiring naman nga income after interest but before taxes, meaning ito after interest na nga ni, gin-iban na ang interest. Pero before taxes pa nga niya, meaning waray pa ig-iban ang tax. Amoy inihiya nga 700. Pag sumiring naman kita nga net income na, meaning tanan na ito hiya an interest and then the taxes have already been deducted. That's why nito tinatawag nga net income. Usually gihapon pag na-compute kita for operating ratios, EBIT itaton ginagamit. So makikita ito natin later itaton problem. Okay. So itaton naman balance sheet here, uusala, 'di ba? Kay ma-compute nga ni kita kunuhan mga ratios nga may ada income, it igbaw numerator, tapos it ubos, it denominator naton is a balance sheet account. Then the balance sheet account should be averaged. But in this case, because we only have one balance sheet provided, so it aton gagamiton na nga average amount will be the ending balance. So kung ano aanhin it aton balance sheet, amo na taton gagamiton as denominator. Diri na naton ig-add ang beginning balance plus an ending balance divided by 2. Magwo-work like to hiya kapag given an aton beginning balance. Let's say for example, an aton balance sheet is duduha. May ada kita balance sheet nga as of December 31, 2017. Dito ito naton magagamitan ang beginning plus ending divided by 2 for the balance sheet accounts. But in this case again, we only have one balance sheet account. That's why we're going to use it immediately na. We don't need to average this one because this will be our average amount already. Tapos, it has already been indicated in the problem that, adiman, the balance sheet at the end of 2018 showed approximately the same amounts as that at the end of 2017. Kung same amount lang ito hiya, ang beginning, same amount, plus the same amount nga ending divided by 2, amo lagi apit mananabo. So, same lagi hapon itaton gagamiton ang ending amount, ending balance. Okay. Klaro adto class? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from here, may questions ka mo? Waray.
Waray.
Waray. Okay. Yakan la ka mo kung may questions para ma-clarify natin because importante talaga iniya for board exam purposes. So, the current ratio, 20 ni nga mga ratio. When I was in college, pag nakita kin mga sugarin nga problem, diretso kini na atras. Kay damo manggo diya, tapos di ko pa memorize ang mga formula. Pero pag tika iha, pag memorize na niyo, dire nito gano kakori. So, let's start. Gamiton ko laadi kaya amo man akong ginamit pinhimo na nga. Okay. Class, I would like you to exit anay tapos join again it aton meeting because nagkamay-ada na kita 14-minute time limit dere kasi inihiya paid nga Zoom. So, kung lani ka mo, balik ka mo yan na. Kay ma-end ini.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Para di kita
Ma'am, send ka po link.
Ato lagi hapon.
Okay.
Same link.
Sige po.
Okay, sige, sige.